Welcome to Full Course Online, your channel for easy and practical tech tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to add and remove accounts in Windows 11. We'll cover Microsoft accounts, local accounts, changing user rights, and also how to manage accounts using the Computer Management Console. Let's start with adding a Microsoft account. Go to Settings. Click on Accounts from the left side panel. Look for Other Accounts. Here you can see that there are already 2 accounts added. Now, let's add another one. Click on Add Account. Assuming you already have a Microsoft account, enter your account details here. If you don't have a Microsoft account and want to create one, click on the link provided above. After entering your credentials, click on Finish. And that's it, the Microsoft account is added. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Accounts from the left side panel. Go to Other Accounts. Here, you can see there are already 3 accounts added. Now, let's add another, but this time it will be a local account. Click on Add Account. Instead of entering Microsoft account details, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the username. You can set a password if you want, but I'll leave it blank in this example. Click on Next, and the local account is now added to this PC. By default, a local account is created as a standard user. To check that, click on the arrow next to the account name. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Change Account Type. Here you can see the account is set to standard user. If you want to make this user an administrator, choose the administrator option. Click OK. And now you can see that Elijah has been promoted to administrator of this PC. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Accounts from the left side panel. Go to Other Accounts. Here you can see there are already 4 accounts added. Now, let's remove some accounts. Select the account you want to remove. Click on the arrow next to the account name to open the drop-down menu. Click on Remove. You will receive a warning message saying that this action will remove the account and all related data. If you agree, click on Delete Account and Data. And that's it, the account is gone. Repeat the same process for any other accounts you want to remove. You can also manage accounts using the Computer Management Console. To add a local account this way, right-click the Start menu. A Smart menu will appear. Click on Computer Management. The console will open. From the left side panel, click on Local Users and Groups. Then click on Users. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts already added. To create a new account, right-click in the empty space and select New User. Enter the username, then the full name, and password if you wish. Click on Create, and the new user will be added. To delete an account from here, simply right-click the desired account. Select Delete. A warning will appear. Click Yes to confirm. And that's it, the account has been removed. That's how you can easily add, remove, and manage accounts in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Full Course Online, and press the bell icon for more useful Windows 11 tips and tricks.